Today, we're going to talk about the power of keto supplements and how they can help boost your weight loss results on the keto diet. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Understanding keto supplements. Keto supplements are designed to support the body's natural state of ketosis, which is the metabolic state in which the body burns fat for fuel instead of glucose. Some of the most popular keto supplements include exogenous ketones, MCT oil, and electrolyte supplements. These supplements can help boost weight loss results and improve overall health. Benefits of exogenous ketones. Exogenous ketones are supplements that contain ketones that are produced outside of the body. They can help the body achieve ketosis faster and can also help maintain ketosis even when consuming more carbs than recommended on the keto diet. Exogenous ketones can also help reduce appetite, improve mental clarity, and enhance athletic performance. Benefits of MCT oil. MCT oil is a type of fat that is quickly absorbed and converted into ketones by the liver. It can help boost energy levels, reduce appetite, and improve mental clarity. MCT oil can also help improve gut health and promote healthy digestion. Benefits of electrolyte supplements. Electrolyte supplements are important on the keto diet as the body tends to lose more electrolytes due to the lower intake of carbs. Electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium are essential for optimal health, and supplementing with electrolytes can help prevent fatigue, muscle cramps, and other symptoms of electrolyte imbalance. Tips for choosing the right keto supplements. When it comes to choosing the right keto supplements, it's important to do your research and choose high-quality products from reputable brands. Look for supplements that contain natural ingredients, are free from fillers and artificial sweeteners, and have been tested for purity and potency. Here's a sample supplement plan for weight loss on the keto diet. Morning, exogenous ketones with MCT oil, to help boost energy levels and mental clarity. Midday, electrolyte supplement, to help prevent fatigue and muscle cramps. Afternoon, exogenous ketones with MCT oil, to help reduce appetite and maintain ketosis. Evening, electrolyte supplement, to support optimal health and hydration. Common mistakes to avoid. When it comes to keto supplements, there are some common mistakes to avoid. One of the biggest mistakes is relying too heavily on supplements and neglecting the importance of a healthy diet and lifestyle. It's important to remember that supplements are meant to supplement a healthy diet and lifestyle, not replace them. Supplementing for exercise. Keto supplements can also be beneficial for exercise, especially high-intensity exercise. Exogenous ketones and MCT oil can help boost energy levels and improve athletic performance. Electrolyte supplements can also help prevent cramps and fatigue during exercise. How to incorporate supplements into your routine. To incorporate supplements into your routine, start by identifying your goals and choosing the supplements that align with those goals. It's also important to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions. The importance of a holistic approach. While keto supplements can be helpful, it's important to remember the importance of a holistic approach to weight loss and overall health. This includes following a healthy and balanced diet, getting regular exercise, managing stress, and getting enough sleep. Supplements can be a helpful addition to a healthy lifestyle, but they should never replace healthy habits. Conclusion. So there you have it, the power of keto supplements and how they can help boost your weight loss results on the keto diet. Remember to choose high-quality supplements, consult with your healthcare provider, and incorporate them into a healthy and balanced lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and share if you found this video helpful.